Hello, Prestaholic gang. Welcome back. I hope that you guys are having an amazing Tuesday. Today we are unboxing Nail Addict's new collection called Long Night Collection. I have to say, I am obsessed, which isn't something new. Nail Addict always does these amazing, unique colors. The bottle sizes are beautiful. They're really big sizes, but their colors are just amazing. So here's just a sneak peek of the colors that we will be reviewing today. And before we start this video, I want to say a huge shout out to the Jemz Co. She is amazing, guys. I did mention her in last week's video, but she's been doing all these unique croc nails. She's been doing so many different colors, even different designs. Like, she is super creative and someone that like gives me major inspo. She's such a sweetheart, so I will be leaving her Instagram link and her website down below in case anyone is interested. Go give her a follow. She's absolutely amazing. And a special thank you to Nail Addict. I will also be leaving all of the links to the collection and all of the gel polish color names in the description down below, so it's easy to find, as well as my discount code. The code is Prestaholic if you want to save 55% off your entire order, and the link will also be in the description box. So starting off, I'm putting all of the gel polishes in groups of 2, so your base color and the color that you want for your croc nails. And I'm also doing this on swatch sticks. So to start off, we are going in with color the Narrow C. This color is actually super unique. When I first saw it, I just thought that it was such a gorgeous blue color. I will say that this gel polish does need 2 coats, but with that 2 coats, it's just a beautiful color, something that I definitely see for the December winter weather. So I would definitely pick this up if you guys are interested. And I'm also going to be using Blooming Gel by iGel, and we are going to be using Winter is Coming for that croc design. This one, I did expect it to be more of a blue, but it was almost like had a gray undertone. I really enjoyed this color just because it's a really nice mix of that gray and blue. I know that a lot of you love Nail Addict as much as I do, just for the fact that their colors are just so unique. So I'm going in with the Blooming Gel, and I personally just like to add a light coat because I feel like it's very easy to just put too much. This was my first attempt at doing croc nails, so I kind of had no idea what I was doing, but I just followed what the Jemz was doing on her Instagram and just adding these dots all along the nail. I will say that you will want to let the Blooming Gel do its thing, but this is how it came out. I thought that it was super cute, and I decided to go in with Nail Addict's matte top coat. You guys know that I love Nail Addict's matte top coat. It does the job, and I find that it doesn't clump up on me, but I will say that this room is a little colder than my last apartment, so that could be it, but it works super well. So I'm just adding a thin coat of that, and I do cure for 60 seconds. And here is how that combo came out: Winter is Coming and the Narrow C. Next up, we have Weirwood Trees and Dragon Claw. I thought that Dragon Claw was a must-have color, so literally have to have it. This color is absolutely stunning, but as I said, I will leave all of these swatches towards the end of the video, and we're going in with Weirwood Trees for the design. I honestly didn't want to put too much gel polish on the Blooming Gel. I think that it worked a little bit better if I just didn't have too much product, but then again, I feel like it's different because this was a stiletto tip, and I don't know, just like the way that it was blending was a little bit difficult when doing the sides. But I think that if you were doing this on like a square nail or a coffin nail, that it wouldn't be so difficult. And these are the two colors put together. Absolutely gorgeous. Loved this combo. Must have dragon claw. So here's a swatch of Her Destiny, which it reminded me of the color For You, which I'll leave that swatch video in the cards. So I used Her Destiny as the base, and I'm going in with Mischievous Lady, and I love that name. This color is actually really, really nice too. It kind of has like that peachy undertone mixed with maybe like a nude. It was a really nice mix, and I haven't seen a color like this, nor do I have one in my collection. I do have more swatch videos of Nail Addict if you guys are new to the brand, or you just haven't ordered, or you're thinking about ordering. I have quite a few swatch videos that I will leave in the cards probably throughout this video. Also, if you are new to Nail Addict, I love this company because their pigmentation is so vibrant. A lot of these colors are only one coat coverage. They perform amazing, and I love the consistency of their gel polishes. On top of that, they are vegan and cruelty free, and they also have a 9-free formula, which means that they remove 9 of the most harmful chemicals from their products. So next up, we're going In the Woods mixed with Almond, and loved this almond color. Look at that color. Must have. This one was just like such a beautiful nude color. As I said, you will see all the swatches towards the end of the video, but I just wanted to do something a little bit different, something that's not just another swatch video, and something that's super trending right now. So you can really do this croc design for any set, whether it's white and black or pink and purple. Like, these colors just blend so well. So this is how it came out. I thought that it resembled a turtle shell, and super impressed, and I really loved it. Next we have Misty, which I was expecting it to be like a mint color, but it's actually like a cream. And truthfully, I don't have any like pure cream colors, so I thought that it was gorgeous, and something not like a must-have, but if you don't have this color, highly suggest it. So here's what I mean when I said like too much product kind of gets a little messy, because it spread too much. I just had too much product on my brush, so definitely recommend to make it a little bit dry, just not too much product. But here's our last combo, which is Her Armour and Misty. These are the swatches of all of the Croc nails that we did today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, something a little bit different. And if you want me to do more videos like this, then please let me know. That way I can ask Nail Addict to be featured more. And if you guys really love the brand, then please let me know as well. Here's all the swatches: the Narrow C, Misty, Almond, and Mischievous Lady. I did try to film these in more of like a natural light so that you guys can see the true colors. So here's just like my messy room view for you guys, and you will see Weirwood trees, Her Destiny, and In the Woods. And you are also going to see the next swatches right now, which is Her Armour, Winter is Coming, and Dragon Claw. Let me know which ones you guys are picking up, and don't forget that they will be having a Black Friday sale. I will be posting on my Instagram story, so be sure to follow us on Instagram, and be sure to subscribe if you guys want more nail content. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.